Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to come back with a very fast update video. So this is my lettuce. In the last video you saw that I had it in these little planter like this, and I decided last night just to remove it. I did not take any video, but I removed them from the little squares. I removed most of the soil, and then I got it into some perlite that finally came with Amazon. I had ordered that and it took about 4 days to get here. But anyway, so I got it the other day, and last night I decided to move all of these over to this little hydroponic system. And so this is filled with the nutrient, so that's the water plus the food, which is this stuff right here. You've seen that in my other video, so I won't go into that. But anyway, so here we go. So if I just lift one of these up, you'll see what it looks like. Hopefully I'm on camera here so you can see. So I removed all of the soil that I could, and then just gently put the plant back in and got the perlite in there. So there we go. So this is just a little test. We'll see how it comes along. But and so I don't have, I've got, yeah, it's about a ½ inch, you know, maybe 1 centimeter or so. So it's only coming up a little bit on the cup. You don't want it going all the way up here. So I want to keep majority of the plant dry and just the lower part wet, which sits in there. So there we go. So a really fast video. That's it for today, and I'll keep updated on this one as well. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.